world around us runs on energy, and as we as a race improve, our fossil fuel resources decrease, simultaneously causing an increase in pollution. This causation highlights the fast-growing need for renewable energy sources, of which solar power has been one of the most promising.
In the last decade, solar power has experienced an average annual growth rate of 59%. Solar farms are popping up all over the world, and though they bring much needed environmental benefits, there are many drawbacks as well.
See, we live in an ecosystem where we live in harmony with the other animals, birds, and other organisms that share this earth. But while our man-made inventions are important to sustain the life that we created, it is also necessary to create a balance between us and the other living organisms that share this planet with us to sustain life as we know it.
Now, the largest problem with solar energy and solar panels is that birds and their insect prey can mistake a reflective solar facility for a water body, and then they in on it. This phenomena has been termed the lake effect, and because of the power of this effect, federal investigators describe such solar farms as mega traps. For bird species like the Yuma clapperrail, this mistake could be deadly. Experts have concluded that many of the birds have been fatally burnt, broken, or otherwise fatally crippled by the solar panels.
These solar panels can burn birds to death. They can be killed by brute force when they crash to the ground or eaten by a predator that swoops to claim their injured body.
To try and prevent this, we ran experiments where we programmed an infrared sensor to emit beeping sounds when the birds came within a certain radius. We figured out the ideal placement and the frequency that was most effective.
Our experiments established that the birds flew away from the solar panel after the beeping sounds were emitted.
By utilizing our solution on a larger scale, we believe that we can save precious bird lives while also harnessing solar power, a renewable energy resource that we will need in the years to come. By doing this, we maintain and fulfill our moral duty to avoid human-wildlife conflict and also maintain that necessary balance in our universe.
Our solution is both efficient and scalable due to the fact that it could easily be industry standardized with the purchase and use of solar panels because it is inexpensive.
So, keeping all of this in mind, we pledge that on our way to improving the quality of life with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, we will always make sure to fully consider the effects of what we call innovation to ensure we keep with a moral responsibility of taking care of the environment that gives us a place to call home.